Okay, here's your spelling pretest for the week of May 3rd to is it the 7th this week. We're winding down the school year. This is lesson 24, where we only have 2 more lessons and you finish the book. So let's do the 25 words for this week. Number 1, mislead. Sometimes your friend will mislead you. Mislead. Number 2, dismiss. I will dismiss you from class at 3:30. Dismiss. Number 3, insincere. His apology was insincere. Sincere. Insincere. Number 4, unable. I am unable to come to school today. Unable. Number 5, indirect. After a verb, sometimes you have an indirect object. Indirect. Number 6, mistreat. It is not good to mistreat your brothers or sisters. Mistreat. Number 7, disaster. I am the master of disaster. Disaster. Number 8, dishonest. It is dishonest to look at a neighbor's paper. Dishonest. Number 9, insecure. Sometimes if you are insecure, you will make fun of someone else. Insecure. Number 10, unknown. It is unknown whether we will start school in the autumn. Unknown. Number 11, incomplete. If you do not finish your spelling, I will mark you down as incomplete. Incomplete. Number 12, unequal. He gave out unequal amounts of cookies to the class. Unequal. Number 13, unstable. The table was unstable on its 3 legs. Unstable. Number 14, misspell. I think I will misspell the word misspell on my spelling pretest. Misspell. Number 15, disagree. I disagree with your answer. Disagree. Number 16, informal. I can dress informal when I'm at home during Zoom meetings. Informal. Number 17, discover. I will discover that Alaska will be warm this summer. Discover. Number 18, unwise. It is unwise to hand in your library books late. Unwise. Number 19, mislaid. I mislaid my pencil and I thought I lost it. Mislaid. Number 20, disgrace. It is a disgrace to forget your homework. Disgrace. 21, invisible. There are many days I wish I could become invisible. 22, mishap. I had a mishap with my automobile yesterday. Mishap. 23, unfortunate. It is unfortunate you do not get to come back to school this year. Unfortunate. Number 24, discourage. I discourage you from not reading this summer. Discourage. And the last word, unnecessary. It is unnecessary to write out all 25 words and sentences. Unnecessary. You only need to do 10. That's your list for the week. You may click on the link and you will see your words that you can find out what your 10 words are.